if you turn off tracking, which way does it direct?
Okay, let me move it to that side. Okay? Because we're saying that's east-west.
Yeah.
What we're trying to do on the screen here is know exactly where Venus is going to be. So we need to establish where east is on the frame.
So right ascension, yes. Now let me get that in focus. Is that in focus?
Not really. It can be better. No, worse. It's good. That's perfect. No, better than it was before.
Go real slow.
Notice I'm staying a meter away from your scope.
It's worse.
No touchy.
It's better, I think. Yeah, that's good.
You like it there?
I like that.
Okay.
Okay. So when you're ready to cut the tracking, we need to see which way is east. It should move to the west. So the opposite direction is east. Unless the Earth is rotating differently these days.
Not much chance. Although how God did it in 6,000 years, I don't know.
He did it in 6 days.
I'm sorry, I think I'm safe saying that in this group. I don't know.
Okay, I'm cutting tracking off.
Okay.
Wow. It's not imaging at 15 minutes.
All right, so you can turn tracking back on. So east really is just about that. Sorry, west is that way. East is that way. Okay. So east is that way. Which way is north?
When we slewed it.
Okay. If you slew the telescope north, the image should go south.
Do you have north, south, east, west controls on that itself?
Carefully, you can hold the paddle upside down and not know.
I know, that's what I want to know. If you drive it north, drive the telescope north, the image will go south.
It doesn't tell me it's north or south. I do have a control. Let me see. Let me see somewhere else.
Well, if you make a giant move, you can tell which way is south.
Yeah,
Right.
If you're moving it, I should be able to tell a pretty tiny move.
Just move it in deck only.
Are you moving it?
This is the deck. So I have this the sky control. It's giving me basically arrows on all sides, right? Which direction is
I would assume
south is
center,
down and north is up.
I would assume the center arrow on the top is north.
How about if you move it quickly, you'll see which way it
should go
moves.
out the bottom of the screen.
Okay.
That's a good thing to know. I also put sticky. I put tape on the sides of the monitor.
What?
North, south,
You
east,
clicked
west,
the
too.
up button
I clicked
and it
up,
went up.
and yeah.
That's south.
What?
Wait. Do that again?
What just happened? Oh, yeah, it's moving down. I mean,
Yeah,
I
it's
clicked
moving.
the up button. I
Did you
clicked
see
the
it
up
move?
button.
I did not see it.
And we
Here,
moved
I
down
can't
on
see
the
it.
image.
Yes.
So what you want to do
Yes.
is verify that
Give it
the
a massive
telescope-
push.
give
I'll
it a
do it
big-
again
yeah.
and let me see
Guys,
the actual motion.
Move it and watch which way. The same way. Make sure you know which way.
Yes,
to go.
that's north.
So the image moves towards the south. You move the telescope to the north. The image moves to the south. Which
So
way did the image
the up
move?
arrow was north. Is that correct?
What's that?
When you push the up arrow, it went north.
When I push the up button, I don't know if that's north or not. I assume it's north.
Well, which one did you just push?
The up button. Oh,
And you saw
Okay.
it move to the north.
Do it right now and let me see what happens.
up button.
Somebody watch
Up
the
button.
telescope and see that it's moving to the north. It's moving
north.
to the north.
Okay.
You see
Not
it?
so fast.
Yeah, north,
Yeah, I
north.
saw it move.
Yeah,
The
up
telescope
is north.
Change the slew rate so it's not.
We just saw it.
Yeah, I can
Yes,
change
it went through. Yeah, it went entirely.
Well, I was watching
through.
Now
After the
I didn't see the
telescope.
screen. Which way did the image move on the screen?
If I click the up button, the screen moves down the sound.
The image of the sun moved down
Moves,
that way.
no. Yeah, we're moving
No,
down the disk of the sun.
The sun is going that way in the screen.
Yeah.
Okay. So
No, the sun,
No,
Put
the
it
sun's
this way.
going
the
up.
sun is going up.
why can't you?
May I state something? Because I go through this, especially at altitudes of pain. If you push north, the sun will eventually disappear. That last bit is the southern edge.
That's
right?
correct.
Yeah.
So
That's all you need
guys
to
were
know.
watching it. Which way was it going?
That's exactly
Yes.
what he said.
So which is the sun? Which? I didn't see it. So tell me where south
The
is on
sun
the
was
screen.
moving up, and the southern edge was the last thing.
Look,
to-
I'm moving.
Okay,
That
so
means
you're
north
saying
is up.
Thank you.
Is that correct? I mean north.
Yeah. See it now.
See it now? Now I'm moving up.
You're moving the telescope north.
There's that.
Yes.
If we're moving the telescope north.
Yes.
But wait a minute. If we're moving the
Telescope
your camera's
north,
upside
the last,
down.
The last
We're
thing
not
we're
touching
looking
the
at
camera.
is
You're not touching
the
the camera.
north.
No, I'm
That's what
saying-
I'm asking.
Yeah, your camera's inverted.
Listen, guys, this is simple. All right, moving the telescope north. forget about what the display looks like. The image is moving to the south.
Yeah,
And the last thing we see is the northern edge.
So south is up.
South is up.
I agree. Definitely.
Right, so the
South
northern edge is the bottom here.
Yes.
Okay. So south is up. I want you to make a diagram right here.
Take a piece of tape and stick it there.
Wait, move it back to where it was so I can see which direction it's going then. Is that the south?
We said before east was this way. I've forgotten already with this whole discussion.
Go back to where.
It would have been easier just to borrow a cup of sugar, you know.
Are you moving? Moving it south or north?
Moving north. Let me go back. Let me go back to.
back. I want to make.
I'm going back right now.
Yeah, that's going south.
Yes.
That's going south. That's the bottom center button.
Yes.
Okay. So get the image. Okay. So that's the edge we want. East and south.
So the north.
You've got to rotate the
North is somewhere here.
Yes. So the coronagraph has to be rotated 90 degrees, right? It's got to be flipped like this. And if this is inverted, we've got to rotate it this way.
Well, you want
The occulter is
The occulter,
is
that's
correct.
right.
So we just have to flip the camera.
No. The occulter's got to be flipped.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, so we rotate the telescope.
Okay, I just take 1 minute because I want you guys to tell me where you think if this screen is a map, which way is north?
South is up, north is down. East is left, and west is right. No, east is right, and and west is left. Is that right?
I definitely agree on the north-south. East-west, I'd like to...
Well, we just
The drift when
The drift is this way.
Okay, then that's drifting towards the west.
Yes.
drifting towards the west.
So you're getting... The telescope becomes more easterly. So east is on the right, correct? South is up and east is on the right?
Yes.
All right, I'll buy that. So it means it'll appear in the lower right.
That's right. So if the sun, this is
This is how it's done.
This is where Venus will come in, right here, 40 degrees east of north. Except that's not where the occulter is.
The occulter is rotated 90 degrees.
So I'm gonna rotate this. So the occulter's where. That's the way we want the occulter, right?
Okay, yeah, look at the diagram that I've just drew. That's where Venus is going to come
Yeah.
in. And now you've got to move just recenter the sun so that you've got the slice on the occulter.
And now I have to rotate the whole tube.
Why do you have to rotate the whole tube?
Rotate this.
To rotate the occulter to get it. I rotated the camera to get this, but that doesn't change the occulter and the sun.
That doesn't change north, south, east, and west. Rotating the camera. Does it? Oh, yes, it does.
I have to change the occulter. I'm just rotating this to get an idea of which way I have to change the occulter.
Yes, you're right.
So I've got to rotate the occulter this way.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Same direction as the.
Yeah.
Is that?
But you just.
So this is where it is to start with.
But we just rotated the image of this. You just changed north, south, east, and west.
We did. It's
Yeah.
changing the camera.
I just wanted to get an idea of.
Oh, that's the only
Where
reason
the
you did
occulter's
it. I
going.
see. Okay.
Now I have to loosen this.
Okay. Don't let it slip. Do you need another hand, or you're okay?
And this has got to go 90 degrees. Yeah.
You want a marker?
You have. I have a marker.
Okay, that I want ending up over here next.
Did you want to drive that telescope?
Is that
We do.
Is that imaging?
I
Have we
understand
lost
the
it because
importance
I'm-
of this.
You may
No,
have
I just lost the disc of the sun.
probably because you rotated.
Okay, I'm gonna lock that down. How's this?
Now you gotta rotate the camera.
Right, you need to put that plate back where it was.
That's roughly what.
And your rotation probably was not perfect, so you
Yeah.
have to reacquire the sun.
Aram, you want to go down and get it started?
Do you guys want to do this while I help them, or?
Okay.
I'm kind of bleeding a little bit of sunlight, but I'm
Okay.
not